Welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the news story, the four of us from the 29th to the 3rd of July 2026 on Monday. The Dlomo family gathered for Dumisani's funeral as tension erupts between Papi and Busani, leading to Papi's dramatic arrest and Bobby being named heir to the family business on Tuesday. Bobby takes control of the dealership and faces Busani's challenge, and Tato declares his intent to marry Balungile. Tension rises within the Dlomo family, and Papi positions himself for power amid shifting loyalties and betrayal on Wednesday. Papi navigates tension between Busani and the Dlomo family and rejects a bribe to leave. Tato and Balungile's date in a dispute causes concern, and Bobby consolidates control over the family on Thursday. Letabo confront Bobby about marriage, and Papa rebuild ambition with Bobby. Busani is shut out by Balungile. Banzi investigate Papi's stolen car, and a call is made as suspicions around Papi intensify on Friday. Family tension erupts as Bobby and Papi briefly arrested, and Pasi risk her life to secure their release. The Dlomo siblings fracture and reunite amid betrayal, shifting loyalties, and a final deadly decision against Ubusani. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.